Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the vegetable drawer on the Samsung refrigerator. Let's get started. First, remove the bottom door bin by lightly tapping on the bottom and lifting up to remove. Next, remove the vegetable drawer by sliding it all the way out until it stops. Then, lift up and remove. If you have a bad vegetable drawer and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. Also, this part is side specific, so please make sure that you're ordering the correct side. To install the drawer, first insert the rear into the rails, then lift up and push it closed. Next, install the door bin by aligning the tabs, pushing down until it locks in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.